Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Omar here with a brand new video for you. I know it's been a long time since my last upload. Life got in the way, but I'm back, so let's go ahead and do it. I'm going to be installing a hitch and hardware and harness for a 2007 FJ Cruiser. I think the max rated capacity for an FJ Cruiser is about 5,000 pounds. Please do me a favor, press that like button, smash it, do whatever you want to do with it, just hit it and make it go like that. Also subscribe. I know it's a little fledgling channel that I have going on, but please subscribe. I want to get up to that 1,000 subscriber mark so I can get monetized. I'll comment and do a couple of time lapses on how to install this thing. The description will have the link to purchase the hitch and hardware. So let's go. Alright, so this is what comes in the kit when you purchase it. You have a brand new rear valance underneath. The stock one doesn't have the cutout for the hitch, so this is provided. It also comes with 4-pin trailer harness. Boom, that gets plugged into the back there. The associated hardware, the hitch itself, so it's just 4 bolts, actually 6 bolts that go into the bumper. You got a little bracket here, I believe it's for this guy. Some new Toyota hardware, more hardware, and then you have a relay, some instructions, and then some more mounting hardware and stuff. Alright, so as you can see here, I don't have the hitch that's on the back. This is the cover that you normally have if you don't have a hitch, and the hitch would go right about there. So as you can see, there's bumper holes that are probably behind the plastic where we have to bolt up to. Alright, so I'll do a quick little time lapse on removing the bumper. Alright, so on the inside of the bumper, there's also these little tabs that you have to take off. But this guy, yep, there we go. There's one on this side and one on the other side that need to be taken off before pulling off the bumper. On both sides, you just have to pull really hard on the wings here. Alright, so these are the mounting holes for the hitch right here. I'm just going to go ahead and spray them with a little bit of lubrication because they're a little bit rusty. There's 2 more underneath here. Alright, so Toyota wants you to torque these up to 60 foot-pound. There's actually a torque sequence here. So go ahead and screenshot that. Yes. Alright, there you go. Alright, so to take off this silver plastic piece that needs to get replaced with a new one, with the cutout, it'll just be 4 number 10s right here, right here, right here, and right here. And then it's kind of held on by additional clips that are, let's see if we could get it, there we go, like additional clips that are holding on the top side. Alright, so underneath the car there is already a pre-wire loom that goes all the way to the back for the trailer wiring, and this is where it is on the driver's side. And then there's also this provided bracket that comes with the system. I'm not exactly sure where it goes, but I'm going to link it to this bottom bracket here. So there's a bracket here where the rear valance hooks up to, and I think that's a good enough spot to put it. Alright, so we'll go ahead and put the rear bumper back on and then start buttoning everything back up. Alright, now that the bumper is back on, we can go ahead and reconnect the rear sonar sensors if you have those equipped on your car. They're over here on the edges of the bumper. Alright, so now moving up to the front, in the driver's footwell, this little controller needs to be plugged in and bolted to the frame. The plug is going to be right here by the footwell. Let's see if we get a good view of it. It is that guy right there, the only one that's open that you can see. And then there's a cutout in the carpet that's up there. You can kind of see it right there where the end of the bracket will bolt into. So it looks like they want to put it in the far left spot right there. And on the bottom, it'll be the second from the right. So along with the two 15 amp fuses that we have to put in right here and right here, there also has to be a towing tail lamp relay that's right there, which corresponds to this spot right here. It's this guy. Boom. Now we're done. Button it back up and then check it with the trailer.